In today's video, we are going to redo my office closet. I've been tripping over this for the last 9 months or 6 months, 6 to 9 months.
Yeah.
This will now be hanging in the closet. We're gonna add some extra shelving. My mom's gonna help with this project.
Here we go.
Step one, chair removal.
Roll, 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 roll.
I don't know if we needed to work together on that one, but here we are. The game plan is just going to be to take everything out of the closet and put it over here. Those I can put away too.
These are how you talk to spaceships up in the sky. They have legs inside. Beat me up, Scotty.
Those I can put away.
I don't even know what those are. Lights?
These are lights.
Oh, okay.
As we're pulling things out of the closet, I'm trying to decide in that moment what can be decluttered and the things I no longer need.
I saved the bottom of the curtain that we cut off for the bedroom. One of those things, you know.
You become your mother.
Hoarding.
Your mother.
I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm getting rid of it. I'm not gonna lie, I keep old planners for a little while.
Yes.
Because I like to transfer things and sometimes I want to know what happened the previous year. So I do hold on to these sometimes for like a year or two, as you can see. But then eventually I look through and then I throw them away. Fall is coming up and I have this on my Etsy store. Anyone like fall art?
Also known as
Flart.
fart.
You know, macrame. Oh God, are you okay?
Yeah.
It almost got you. This we don't need anymore because I'm not going to be hanging clothes in here anymore. We're going to take these doors down. They're going to go to door heaven where all the other doors go to live on the side of our house. And we are going to add extra shelving. The same type you see here is going to be added in the middle here because as you can see, you can't get to this whole middle section.
Yeah.
While we were busy emptying the closet, Grant got to work making the shelves. This was an extremely budget-friendly project and all the materials came in at $100.
What is that? Oh my gosh, you scared me.
So if you can guess how many doors are beside my garage.
Okay, we got 2 from here, 2 from the closet, a screen door.
Is that door right? So,
Oh, then there was a door there, so that's 6. Yeah, we removed that door. Hey, we can open a door
and we've
store.
got 2 bifold doors.
And the oh yeah, we took
So
the
8
closet
doors
doors.
in total.
We're taking closet doors off. We took the closet doors off of the boys' room too. Okay, moral support. You can do it.
8 doors.
What my mom called a bed sheet curtain.
Okay, so I was thinking like you turn it down like this. These would be good Halloween costumes.
Oh yeah.
Put some eyes right here.
Yeah, great Halloween costume.
You're saying no on this again. I'm getting rid of these. We are driving to Target to get some organizational containers. We'll see what we find.
Otherwise known as plastic baskets or bins.
Once we got to Target, we looked down the curtain aisle to see if they had anything good. We didn't find anything we liked, so we headed to the bin area. We had pre-measured what would fit on the top shelf in the closet, so we knew these would work, and luckily they had the right amount. We wanted 6 of them. They're super affordable, and I will link them down below in case you're interested in these bins. In the meantime, Grant was working on the shelves and he wanted to just add something similar to what he had already built initially. And I wanted to make sure that the shelves were adjustable, which was great. That way I could customize them to the things that I wanted to store on each shelf. Then there was just a little bit of cleanup between each one of these projects. And then my mom and I headed off the next day to Cost Plus to look for more curtains.
Got back from Cost Plus.
Cost Plus.
And well, first we went to the fabric store and we couldn't find any fabric that was the right color, weight, all that stuff. So we found these.
Those are lined. Look at that. Well, no, it's just a lined fabric. Yeah, this
so
is way
fun.
better. Yeah, that goes with your
Flowers.
That
It looks
goes good
cute.
with that. Yeah.
I like it.
Yay.
This video is kindly sponsored by Earth Breeze.
What is Earth Breeze? It's an eco sheet that looks just like a dryer sheet, but it's ultra concentrated liquidless laundry detergent. It's the best of all worlds. Earth Breeze is tough on stains and odors while being kind to the planet and your skin. I've been using Earth Breeze for over a year now, and I love that they easily dissolve in water and it's plastic-free packaging. Earth Breeze got rid of all the unnecessary chemicals for a formula that is kind to sensitive skin of all ages.
is. These tiny sheets can stop millions of detergent jugs from entering our ecosystems. In fact, 500 million detergent jugs end up in landfills and oceans every single year. EarthBreeze's lightweight cardboard packaging takes up only a fraction of space compared to traditional detergent. I think you should give it a try, and if you decide to go back to your old stuff for some reason, you get a full refund on your EarthBreeze purchase, no questions asked. Go to earthbreeze.com/Shannon Torrens to get started with 40% off. That's earthbreeze.com/Shannon Torrens for 40% off your subscription. Grant is hanging the Dyson vacuum, and I'm so excited because it's been on the floor. And it's been something I've been tripping over for about 6 months, maybe 9 months. I've just been putting it back behind my chairs and shoving it into the corner back here. But I'm really excited to get it off the floor, hung up in the closet, and we don't have power in here. So we're just going to have the cord go to the floor, and then we have a power switch right here that I will do a extension cord into, and then that will go into the closet. We're finally at the point where we can put the big stuff in here. We're ready.
The beautiful shelves are in.
We just had an accident where the shelf came flying off, hit my arm, and then that made me realize that we needed to have a little hook to hold the shelf on there, so Grant secured it. Yay. Standing up things will go over here. Okay, this can go here. All camera and kind of office stuff on these shelves, and then all of this will be art stuff. Creative, artsy, crafty stuff. Okay, this is where this was, which was a good spot for it. And then this worked well down here because it's easy to grab and it's lightweight. So we went to Target and bought, what, 6 of these baskets. It'll be easier to grab out, I think.
Yeah, they don't know what
This little fit. Yeah, okay.
Yay.
This is the disaster area. This is everything from the closet.
Oh, holy moly.
I just hung the Dyson vacuum, and I have all the paperwork that I want to keep, because I do keep some paperwork, especially things that have warranties and stuff. So they give you this envelope, which is cool.
Oh, that's great.
So I'm going to put it all in here.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put it in the box that we got. So I had this bin that was collecting all kinds of dust.
Paper and
So I'm going to do paper, and then all the parts
Yeah.
can fit in here.
Oh!
Yeah, all of the attachments do different things.
There we go.
This could go to the back, because this is more instructional stuff. Some of these bins are things I already had. I'm just reusing them. I'm gonna declutter some of these
Old glasses.
sunglasses. They're not old, it's just I didn't like them. Each of my kids have a binder where I put some of their projects, art projects and things I want to keep for them or just for myself to remember. And Levi doesn't really have a lot in his because he really hasn't done any projects yet. But these are his cards, and I just need to add them to the folder here.
Yeah,
and then I can put these back in here.
That's better.
That's better.
Oh, wow.
Oh!
That's amazing.
Raise the roof, it fits. Oh my goodness.
One whole shelf just for sewing.
Oh my goodness.
That's amazing. Heavy paint.
Heavy acrylic paints. Probably just here, I guess.
And then everything.
Look at that.
Paint and brushes, they go together.
This might fit here. Oh my goodness.
Does this fit next to it? Because here's more brushes and art supplies.
I don't think so. Let me see. Does it?
Score! Score.
Right there. Fit. Yay! Aren't you excited?
I am. I'm super excited.
Because the watercolor is the paper I use the most right now.
Video.
Yeah, so maybe I can put it in a basket up here. Let me see.
Oh, yeah, and put this one.
Why those can't go there? She told me to put them there.
That. Angle, angle.
Oh, like
put
that.
this one in it
Okay.
too. Like,
You gotta be careful. Okay, this is not gonna work up there.
okay, so where else could those go?
Although,
They're long enough up here.
yeah, I'll just do them here. My mom put the books I've already read in here.
That could be your
This could be my book, like swapping.
declutter books.
Yeah, my books that I've already read, ready to go.
Yeah.
Back to my secondhand bookstore that
Wow.
I've used. So I found these at World Market, Cost Plus.
Yeah,
I mean, they
World
changed the name, but
World Market.
World Market. And I have a link to the curtains down below.
Oh, cool.
And I thought they were really pretty.
The color is perfect for in
I
here.
thought it was so pretty because we were going between light gray and white and then
Yeah, flowers. These are flowers, but
Yeah.
these are nice.
Okay, I'm gonna put this in here first.
Okay, then I bring mine up through the top.
I might have to turn it to fit it, yeah.
There. Ooh, I
Okay,
like
we can't drop. But
Yeah.
the question is, do we take them off and then iron them all first?
Yeah, I would. And
And then bring it back up and then measure it?
yeah. If you
And
plan
then-
to iron them, do it first.
So iron it and then rehang it in here
Yeah.
and then take it down again?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, that's what I think. I
I'm
know.
sweating.
We've come a long way. We've done a lot today, so that's good.
We decided to paint the closet border and upper cabinets the same color as the beadboard on the sides, so it will be more streamlined.
The one door is missing because Grant had to patch it, so he decided to take it off and just do that patching in the garage and paint it at the same time.
I had to take the curtains down so I can iron them straight and flat. That way we can put them back up, measure, then take them back down and hem it. Then I can finish painting the rest of this. She's here. Hi, I'm here to help. Double ironing. Well, we can hang these back up.
Okay, how's
So-
it going?
Good. That's the pole right there.
I've got a 3 o'clock.
What?
Go get my eyeglasses.
And then what?
Then I'll be back.
Oh.
Get my eyes
She's a
measured.
busy woman. And we decided we're not going to paint the baseboard, so that way we don't have to worry about the bottom
Okay.
part. It'll just be easier.
White everywhere.
Just white only along the bottom. So this will all be painted this color,
Okay.
but we'll leave the bottom. Just
All right.
because we could always do that later,
Yeah.
but we just thought we'd have to move all the desks and everything.
Oh,
And
yeah.
then we thought it might actually look good with the white.
It looks fine right now with it. Well, whenever you get bored, you feel like painting, you can
Yes.
always do that, you know.
You know. You know, sometimes you just think, I need a project to do. And I know this is probably gonna freak everybody out because it has in the past, but
You're not
I'm
cutting.
not cutting them. I'm just gonna have a really big hem
Yeah.
in case I ever want to use these somewhere else in the future.
Yeah.
You know.
I used to do that in junior high school because we were allowed to wear skirts to school, and that was the start of mini skirts. I would make my skirts and I'd make them long to my knees, and then I would hem them up with a giant hem to be a mini skirt, and then I'd go to the principal's office and then she'd rip my hem out because you had to kneel down and your hem
Okay, I'm gonna insert a photo right here because what I call it is she didn't wear pants.
I wear
That's
pants.
how short the skirts were. Or long the shirts were. Whatever
They
you
were
want to call
very
it.
shorts.
It was
They were
either
very
an
short
extremely short.
skirts. Yeah, that was high school.
It was a long shirt, in my opinion. She called it a dress. You've never seen short skirts that short. Dresses that short.
But then, yeah, so the vice principal, you had to get on your knees, and your skirt had to be like measured 3 inches from the floor when you were on your knees.
Yeah, you know
And then
that
I would
song?
go home and I would just hem them back up. I had a big old hem.
They
hem
said,
it back
here she
up.
comes again.
Here she comes again, getting her slip skirt ripped out every day. Ladies my age will remember it. Maybe we had hot pants and sizzlers. And sizzlers was a really short dress with like
It was a shirt.
underwear to match, which is kind of crazy.
It was a shirt,
like
in my
bathing suit
opinion.
bottom.
It was
Yeah.
really short.
It was really short.
It was a
But-
long shirt.
Back in those days, I had good legs, so.
What's funny is when
But
you
when
would
you're
tell me,
17, you've got
when
good
you would
legs.
tell me,
Yeah,
oh, that's a little bit shorter, I think.
yeah.
You would tell me that when I was a teenager.
Yeah.
I think that's a little too short, she would say.
Yeah.
And then I saw her photos and I thought, no, nothing is as short as that.
Dance anytime. Sewing dance.
For me.
Well, I say we go to your dining room table and take everything off and lay these out
And measure them.
and measure them.
After some back and forth on how to do this, I decided to use a ruler and some pins just to mark it.
I pinned up the second curtain, and what you didn't see, because of the movie magic, is I actually already ironed this too. My mom's hiding over there in the corner for some reason.
Ta-da! Hi. What I would suggest is use a wide stitch.
Like a zigzag, or
No, just further apart.
there we go.
All right. Wow.
We're about to find out.
This is called speed hemming.
Okay, we're gonna find out soon. Yay, that's exactly what I thought. It's just because I thought it would hang on the outside.
Yeah, there it goes. It hangs on the outside.
Perfect!
Good, and it's straight too.
Yay! Okay, yeah. Whoa. We're going fast.
I like it too.
When I first thought up the idea to paint this trim around the closet, I had no clue how much of a difference this was going to make in the final image of this whole entire project. I'm so happy that I took the time to do this.
We just got back from Target where I got this extension cord so that way I can plug in the Dyson cord and have it plug in right here on the wall. Then I'll just hide the cord under our rug that we have. And then we also went to Home Depot and I got these little pulls for the top cupboard doors up here. Before they were just what came with the house, a bright white glass type pole, which would stick out like a sore thumb on this kind of bluish color paint. But this I think will blend in really well. And of course I picked a flower because we're going with flowers and I thought let's be unique and have some fun. My mom is not here helping today because she's a little under the weather with a sore throat. Unfortunately she can't help me finish the project, which it's always more fun when I get to do projects with her. But she's home recovering and I'm sure she'll feel better really soon because it's just a tiny cold.
Little did I know at this point that it was actually the thing that rhymes with the word schmovid, and we all ended up getting it and we are recovering now.
These knobs were only $1 something. This large gray rug in here is a tiny bit crooked and it drives me nuts. But once this is on here, I won't care as much. I got this rug off of Rugs USA, so I can try to link it below in case anyone's interested. I wanted something very colorful and bright in here, lots of flowers, lots of color, and I feel like I've accomplished that. Let me give you a tour of the final organized and completely made over closet. As you saw, we removed the doors and added these curtains, which I absolutely love. Everything is in its spot. We painted this whole thing to match the beadboard on either side. Then found these colorful curtains. Grant added the extra shelves. Now everything is in order and has its own specific spot. One of the best things is having my vacuum finally hung where it can charge. These are the baskets that I bought from Target. They are working great. I am going to label them once I get the label maker. Then I just have my camera and office supplies in this side, and I have my crafting supplies in the new shelving area. So painting stuff, drawing, paper, paints, and all the sewing stuff fit on one shelf. Vacuum stuff and my weights. I'm so happy that this is done. For one, I'm very organized in here now. This was something I had been thinking about for the longest time. I can't believe how well all the colors go together, and I really like that I was able to tie in the side beadboard paint with this. It just feels very put together. I'm not sure how it looks in the camera, but in real life, it just feels very much put together. And I'm so happy with this that I actually don't even feel like I want to do any more in the future. We'll see what happens, but I'm really, really happy with this. Thank you so much for joining me today, and you can click right here to continue watching more of our home makeovers. See you in the next one. Bye.